Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome you all, dear students. Another question from exercise of the chapter Thermochemistry. This time question 17. Chapter 11 is related with thermochemistry, and today we are going to solve question 17. What the question 17 is? You are to deduce standard enthalpy of formation of acetic acid from the given data, which is standard combustion enthalpies of carbon, hydrogen and acetic acid. As I have told you earlier, that very first step is that you are to write the target equation or required equation. And in this case, the target equation is, the required equation is formation of acetic acid. You know that acetic acid contains carbon, oxygen and hydrogen. So you are to write as a reactants for this reaction the elements carbon, that is in solid state, hydrogen in the gaseous state and oxygen also in the gaseous state. So at the top equation you are observing on the screen is carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, and after arrow you have acetic acid CH3COOH, and then delta H naught F with question mark, that is the enthalpy of formation for this reaction is required. As we have done in the previous question, you are to manipulate the data in such a way that only carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and acetic acid remain, and all other entities are cancelled out from the given data reactions or equations. So after writing your target or required equation, next now you will proceed to get equations from the given data of the numerical. So at number 1 in second line you may say of chemical equation, at number 1 there is combustion of carbon. On the reactant side is carbon and O2 and carbon dioxide, and you know that 393.5 kilojoules heat or energy is released during the combustion of 1 mole of carbon. So you are to write this equation, and after writing this equation you are to write the combustion of hydrogen. So in equation 2 you are observing that on the left hand side is written H2, then half O2, 1 by 2 O2 gaseous state, and in the product is H2O in the liquid state, and enthalpy of formation of or combustion of liquid water is 285.85. You must keep in mind that combustions are always with negative sign. So enthalpy of combustion of carbon is 393.5 and negative, that is the reaction is exothermic. Same is the case with enthalpy of combustion of hydrogen, that is also shown with negative sign because this reaction is also exothermic. And in the data, enthalpy of combustion of acetic acid has also been given. So equation 3 within the circle I have written 3. So you are to write third equation, that is equation 3 is about the combustion of acetic acid. So you write on the left hand side as a reactant formula of acetic acid CH3CO2H, or you may also write CH3COOH, that is its structural formula, and combustion of this acid is given in the data. So of course the second reactant would be O2. So acetic acid plus O2 gives carbon dioxide and water. 2 carbon dioxide and 2 water moles, you may say, are produced as the product after the combustion of acetic acid. You are to balance these equations, and then you are to write their combustion values also, energy or heat values also. So on the right hand side, you can find that enthalpy of combustion of acetic acid. This is given in fact in your question number 17 of your textbook. If you have in front of you, then you may find that of acetic acid is minus 875 kilojoules per mole, and same value is written here in this equation for the combustion of acetic acid. Next is, you find that in equation of acetic acid, there are 2 moles of carbon dioxide, 2 moles of water on the product side, and you do not have such species, such entities in your target equation. So you are to cancel out these carbon dioxides and waters. Since combustion product of acetic acid is also carbon dioxide and water, and combustion of carbon and hydrogen is also carbon dioxide and water respectively, so you multiply the equation of combustion of carbon, that is equation 1, and combustion of equation of combustion of hydrogen, that is equation 2, with 2. So separately, in order to cancel out carbon dioxide and water in the final equation, you are to multiply the both these equations number 1 and 2 with 2. So when you multiply these equations, you are also to multiply energy or heat values too. So when you are going to double carbon dioxide, then their heat value should also be doubled. Same is the case in case of water, that is 393.5 multiplied with 2 and 285.85 multiplied with 2, and you will get these values in front of these reactions. So when you multiply these equations by 2, then you are to add these 2 equations, that is enthalpy of combustion of carbon dioxide, carbon, and enthalpy of combustion of hydrogen. After multiplying both these equations with 2, now you are going to add these equations. So when you add these equations, you get single equation. You may call it 5a equation, because there is 5 equation is also number is given, so not number is given, 5a equation, so you may write on your paper. So then in that equation you have 2 carbon, 2 hydrogen H2, 2 O2, we get 2 carbon dioxide and 2 water. This equation was the result of addition of the previous 2 equations, that is combustion of carbon after multiplying with 2 and combustion of hydrogen after multiplying with 2. So now you are required acetic acid in the products side. So but in the data it is present in the reactant side, on the reactant side, that is you may again watch equation 3. In equation 3, combustion reaction is written, and you are required enthalpy value for the formation of acetic acid. So from this you can get hint that which equation is to be subtracted. So equation number 3, that is of acetic acid, should be reversed or should be subtracted from the equation 5a. That is the equation that we got after the addition of reaction of carbon and oxygen and hydrogen and oxygen, and multiplying these 2 equations with 2. So you are watching, and that after reversing you have 2 carbon dioxides on the reactant side, 2 water, liquid water on the reactant side, and acetic acid on the product side. When you reverse equation, your heat or energy sign should also be reversed. If it is negative, then it should be positive, and if it is positive, then it should be negative. So keeping in view these things, you can now write the equation 6 as 2 carbon dioxide, 2 water acetic acid, and enthalpy change with the reverse sign. Here on the screen, you are observing that there is written adding equation 5 and 6. Instead, you are adding equation 5a and 6. We have two equations with number 5, so one equation you may call it equation 5a and other 6. Now, when you add equation 5a and 6, you get your desired equation, that is 2 moles carbon, 2 moles H2, 1 mole O2, 1 mole acetic acid. Also you add the values of different reaction, these two reactions, and finally you get the enthalpy of formation of acetic acid, and that value is minus 483.6 kilojoules per mole. When you add equation 5a and 6, you find that carbon dioxide and waters are on the product side in one equation, and in other equation they are on reactant sides. They are equal in number, so they are cancelled out, and in this way, after manipulating, you can get your desired equation. And when you get your desired equation, you have also manipulated their different enthalpy values too, so you, in this way, you can get your answer, that is you can deduce your enthalpy of formation for this reaction. This is the general pattern by which most of the questions of thermochemistry are done. Okay, thank you. Allah.